Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah buat ufrai dia. Kam no ke ceng car am. Tip syuk kan long kom no lah dah. Yap sama no mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu Pyndep am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau hamokam hilaban pun long ki kathong ko jongpi ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma ba ka advanced diploma course
Kashnong Dympep kabadan hakathan Sohra kan sapelong ya ka North East First Skywalk Hakaba 40% na ka project ka bakot sanpui kelur tingka ladap Shna nadu baka kam kelas dang hau benai naiwing arjar pusan la Pyndep uamili ka Sohra uba given Miguel Miliam. Hakajia keran bat kilat patai kubor uba given uloong bakani ka Skywalk ka bajrong 10 meter la kmi linti bandep Shna husnem arajar arpenyo bat kathong jong ka sarkar ka long ban kring shushu ya ki nong jungo kai patai hakashinong Dympep bat shaki shinong ki bamarjan.
So actually the Skywalk at Dympep, the work has started, I think so, in the month of November last year, where the progress of the work is ongoing, and according to the reports from the department, the ongoing progress is around 20% till date. So I'm very confident that once completed, this project will ultimately boost the tourism, in fact in the Dympep area and its adjoining areas, and it'll be one of its kind, because we do understand that the projection will be around to the length of 40 meters. So I think so it's one of the first, I think so, in the northeast. So I think so they'll be able to attract many tourists when they come to this part of the area. The project cost of the Skywalk at Dympep is around 51 crores, and the tentative time for completion of this particular project, according to the reports from the department, I think so will be in the later part of 2027.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.